Have you ever wondered why your Apple TV has not seen a hardware update in record time? You might look at your entertainment center and think Apple simply forgot about it. You might think they just moved on to other shiny things like the Vision Pro or new iPhones. But the truth is actually much bigger. It is far more exciting than anyone realized. Apple is sitting on a massive secret right now. They are quietly preparing to turn your entire living room upside down. Right now, a brand new software update is changing everything you know about the current hardware. The new tvOS 26.4 is finally here, and it brings pure magic to your current box. But honestly, that is just a very small taste of the future. What is coming in 2026 will absolutely blow your mind. We are talking about a true gaming console killer. We are talking about the ultimate smart home brain. We're even talking about a shocking price drop that nobody saw coming. Stick around and do not skip ahead, because you do not want to miss a single detail of this massive leak that changes everything about how we watch, play, and live. First, let's talk about the amazing features you're getting today. The Apple TV is getting a serious software boost. This new tvOS 26.4 update is a total game changer for daily use. Apple is finally cleaning house. For years, the home screen felt a bit messy and outdated. We all remember those old separate apps for iTunes movies and iTunes TV shows. They felt like ghosts from a past era of technology. Apple has wanted everyone to use the main Apple TV app for a very long time. Now they're finally forcing the change. With this new update, those old separate apps are completely gone. They are permanently deleted from the system forever. If you had them hiding in a custom folder, that folder will look very empty now. Only the App Store remains. Everything you want to watch, rent, or buy is now strictly inside the one single Apple TV app. This makes the home screen much cleaner. It is so much easier for new users to understand without getting confused. Now, let us talk about the sound upgrades, because this part is absolutely huge for home theater fans. If you use a premium soundbar, you probably know the struggle. Many people with high-end receivers or Sonos systems have faced a very annoying issue. Sometimes the audio would just cut off for a full second. Other times you would hear a loud, annoying pop sound. The volume would even jump up and down randomly during a movie. This happened a lot with Dolby Atmos content. The Apple TV was constantly switching audio mixes and formats in the background. It caused a complete mess for external speakers. But Apple finally fixed it. They added a brilliant new feature called continuous audio connection. This is an absolute lifesaver for movie lovers. It uses something called Dolby MAT, which stands for Metadata Enhanced Audio Transmission. Basically, it keeps a constant steady stream of audio data flowing to your speakers at all times. It does this even when nothing is playing or when the format changes. The transitions happen smoothly now. There are no more pops. There are no more drops. There are no weird volume fluctuations at all. You just go into your settings, click Video and Audio, and check on your audio format. You will need an Atmos-capable system or an eARC connection to see the option. If you have been dealing with those audio glitches, this update feels like pure magic. Apple also fixed a very old and annoying bug in the Apple Music app. For years, spatial audio users had a consistent problem. The very first second of a song would get totally cut off. People have reported this frustrating bug all the way back to 2021. It was terrible. You pay good money for high-quality music, and the song skipped the very first beat. Thankfully, tvOS 26.4 fixes this issue completely. Your spatial music will now play perfectly from the exact first millisecond. It is really great to see Apple squashing these older bugs that have been lingering in the system for so long. But my absolute favorite new feature in this update is called Genius Browse. Do you remember the old Apple Genius feature from the early iTunes days? It used to make these great smart playlists for you based on what you actually liked. Well, that amazing spirit is finally back. Inside the Apple TV app, there is a brand new dedicated category for Genius Browse recommendations. It breaks movies and shows into really fun, specific CA. Takeovers. You'll see creative lists like Clever Capers or Perfect Date Night. It is not just a boring static list, either. When you click on a category, you get a huge scrolling list of titles. If you see something you like or something you've already watched, you can just swipe down on it. This triggers a whole new set of related suggestions instantly. It can go on forever. It includes specific actors, directors, and very similar themes. It is a fantastic way to discover something brand new to watch. You never have to be stuck in that endless loop of scrolling for an hour. You can even filter these lists by exact genre or type. You can search for a comedy that is based strictly on a book. It makes the discovery process feel incredibly natural. It feels human, not like a computer throwing random movie posters at your face. There's also a brilliant little hidden feature in this update. If you go to your Up Next or Watch list in the TV app, hold down the Select button on your remote. A brand new option pops up on the screen. It says Browse Continue Watching. When you click it, it opens up a beautiful full-screen grid. It shows absolutely everything you are currently watching across all your different streaming apps. It gives you a perfect bird's-eye view of your entire entertainment library in one single spot. It is incredibly handy. This software update is currently in the release candidate stage. That means it should be hitting your personal device any day now. It feels like a very solid step forward. But now we need to talk about the elephant in the room. We need to talk about the actual hardware. We have not seen a new Apple TV box in a very long time. In fact, the current model is starting to break historical records for the longest lifespan without an update. But there is a massive, highly strategic reason for this delay. According to the latest reports from top insiders, Apple is currently sitting on new hardware that is essentially ready to go. The physical boxes are likely already built. They're just waiting in warehouses right now. So why the massive holdup? The one-word answer is Apple Intelligence. Apple is intentionally waiting for its next-generation AI to be completely perfect. They need the totally revamped Siri to be fully polished before they launch the next Apple TV 4K. This new model is expected to drop in the fall of 2026. It is going to be a massive leap forward in technology. The main reason for the delay is that Apple wants the specific device to be a true AI hub for your entire home. To pull that off, it needs a serious, unprecedented boost in processing power. Rumors suggest the 2026 Apple TV will totally skip current chips and jump straight to the A18 or even the A18 Pro chip. This is the exact same extreme silicon power found in the absolute latest flagship iPhones. You might be wondering why a simple streaming box needs that much insane power. After all, it just plays Netflix, right? Wrong. It is all about on-device processing. Apple wants Siri to handle extremely complex commands locally. They do not want to send every single bit of your voice data to the cloud. Imagine talking to your TV naturally. You ask it to find that one specific movie scene where the main character is wearing a red hat. Or you tell it to show all the action movies your wife has not seen yet. This level of deep intelligent searching requires incredible brain guts. It requires the kind of power that only a modern A-series chip can provide. Apple Intelligence is also expected to totally transform how you discover your daily content. We talked about Genius Browse earlier. That actually feels like a very small, basic preview of what is coming with the new hardware. The 2026 Apple TV will actively learn your habits across every single app you ever use. It will not just suggest a movie because it is globally popular. It will suggest it because it intimately knows your exact taste. It knows you like certain obscure directors. It knows your specific type of comedy. It even knows the exact actors that you frequently search for on your iPhone while sitting on the couch. It could even integrate with your smart home in a much deeper, more aggressive way. Right now, the Apple TV acts as a home hub, but it is mostly passive. It just sits there. In the 2026 version, with the power of Apple Intelligence, it becomes an active thinking manager. Think about it logically. The Apple TV is the only device in your house that is usually plugged into the biggest display and the best speakers. Apple wants to fully utilize that advantage. You will likely see a smart home dashboard that pops up automatically when someone rings your front doorbell. You will use Siri to ask complex situational questions. You can ask who left the garage door open while you are right in the middle of watching a movie. It is all about making the TV the actual literal brain of the house. It is no longer just a dumb screen you stare at on Friday nights. But why is Apple so obsessed with putting an A18 or even an A19 chip into this small box? The real hidden reason is that Apple is secretly turning the Apple TV into a high-end gaming console. We have already seen Apple doing the impossible lately. They are bringing massive AAA titles like Resident Evil and Death Stranding directly to the iPhone and Mac. With the next Apple TV, they want your living room to be the absolute primary place you play these massive games. The current A15 chip is great for basic streaming, but it seriously struggles with the high-end graphics and real-time ray tracing that modern console games require. By jumping to the latest silicon and adding a massive 8 gigabytes of RAM, Apple is effectively putting a powerful gaming PC inside a tiny black box. This is a massive existential threat to traditional consoles. Most people already have an Apple TV or they want to buy one. If you can play true PlayStation or Xbox quality games on a device you already use for movies, you do not need to buy a separate $500 console. That is a huge money-saving win for the average family. Apple is betting that convenience will win the war for the living room. And here's the most exciting part. Rumors are strongly pointing to a shocking price drop. We are talking about a potential $99 price tag for this new powerhouse. If Apple manages to pack an A18 Pro chip, smart home AI, and AAA gaming into a $99 box, it is going to sell out instantly. It will completely dominate the market. My personal opinion is that Apple is making the smartest move in their history with this device. They're letting the competition sleep while they build the ultimate Trojan horse for the living room. Once you have this box connected to your TV, you will never need another smart home hub or gaming console again. It is a brilliant strategy. If you like this video and want to stay updated on all things Apple, please subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments below, would you replace your Xbox or PlayStation with a $99 Apple TV? I would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.